Hello, TV enthusiasts. Facing issues with the Google Play Store on your Xiaomi Android TV? You're in the right spot. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store on Xiaomi Android TV and ensure a smooth app downloading experience from the comfort of your living room. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Google Play Store requires a stable connection to function properly on your Xiaomi Android TV. Verify that your TV is connected to Wi-Fi by navigating to the settings menu. If necessary, try reconnecting to your network or restarting your router to resolve any connectivity issues. A strong, consistent connection is essential to keep the Play Store running smoothly. Step 2. Clear cache and data. If your internet connection is solid but you're still encountering problems, the next step is to clear the cache and data of the Google Play Store app. Here's how to do it. Go to the settings menu on your Xiaomi Android TV. Navigate to apps and find Google Play Store in the list. Select the storage option and then choose clear cache. If the issue persists, you can also select clear data to reset the app. Note that this will require you to sign in again. This process can help resolve the common glitches and bugs that might be hindering performance. Step 3. Update the Google Play Store. An outdated version of Google Play Store could cause functionality issues. To ensure you're using the latest version, go to the app settings and attempt to force an update. Open the Google Play Store app, navigate to Settings within the app's menu. Scroll to the bottom and look for the Play Store version. If an update is available, you'll receive a prompt to install it. Regular updates often address bugs and improve overall functionality, so it's beneficial to keep the Play Store up to date. Step 4. Reinstall Google Play Store updates. Occasionally, updates themselves may cause issues. Reinstalling updates might solve the problem. Go to Settings, then select Apps. Find Google Play Store and select Uninstall Updates. This action will revert the app to its original version. Restart your TV and check if the problem persists. If it doesn't, updates may have been the root cause. Step 5. Check for system updates. Sometimes the problem may not lie with the Play Store, but with the system itself. Ensuring that your Xiaomi Android TV is running the latest firmware can be pivotal. Access the Settings menu, then go to About and choose System Update. Check for available updates and install them if any are found. Regular system updates can introduce improvements and fixes that enhance both device and app performance. By following these steps on how to fix Google Play Store on Xiaomi Android TV, you'll have your Google Play Store back in tip-top shape in no time. Whether it's a connectivity issue, cache buildup, or a need for updates, this troubleshooting guide has got you covered. Remember to keep your internet connection stable and regularly update both your apps and TV system to avoid encountering similar problems in the future. Enjoy seamless streaming and access to all your favorite apps without a hitch. Happy watching!